Welcome back to MVP Autos, your number one stop for everything on four wheels. If it's got an engine and attitude, we've got it covered. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay updated with the latest from the automotive world. Today, we're diving into something truly special. After years of rumors and speculation, Ford has officially unveiled the next generation 1944 Deluxe, a modern tribute to a true American classic. Yes, you heard that right. Ford has revived one of its most iconic models in a bold new form that blends vintage elegance with modern technology. The design pays homage to the original 1944 Deluxe with those signature wide fenders, rounded grille, and those unmistakable classic lines. But don't be fooled by the retro look. Under the hood, this machine is all next-gen. Powering the new Deluxe is a turbocharged V6 engine delivering over 400 horsepower, paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission. Ford has built this car on a lightweight aluminum frame, giving it both strength and agility. It also comes with all the modern safety tech you'd expect: adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and even semi-autonomous driving modes. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a cabin that perfectly balances classic and contemporary. Premium leather seats, real wood trim, and a digital instrument cluster wrapped in vintage styling, it's like stepping into the past with the comfort of the future. The infotainment system features a massive 12-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, all seamlessly integrated into a retro dashboard. Ford has also announced that this Deluxe will be available in both coupe and convertible variants, and yes, even a limited edition hot rod version is in the works for true enthusiasts. This move by Ford isn't just about nostalgia, it's about celebrating the golden age of American cars while pushing the boundaries of modern design and engineering. The 2025 Ford Deluxe new series is set to hit showrooms early next year, and pre-orders are already generating serious buzz. So, what do you think about this blend of old-school charm and modern muscle? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching MVP Autos, where the past, present, and future of automobiles come together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.